Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can insert a voice memo to CapCut. So if you want to add the voice memo from your file from your phone into CapCut, you can just click on the add audio here at the bottom of your video and choose to sound. Here, click on this folder icon and select the device option, and then just scroll down and find the voice memo or the audio file that you want to add. So for example, here I'm going to add this audio file. Click on the plus icon, and just like that, it will be inserted into CapCut. So if you want to, you can also add it the voice memo. For example, you can add some fade effect, adjust the volume, or use the voice changer to add some effects to the voice memo. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.